And sound_mode, just_audio, and vibration dependency in YAML file. If you are using latest Flutter version, then download sound_mode source code and need to add one line. Add namespace com.tryingoutsomething.soundmode.sound_mode line in build.gradle file if you are fetching namespace error in sound_mode while running app on Android device. Add assets /music/ assets/gif/ to your YAML file to access assets resources. It looks like you're setting up an audio player in a Flutter application. Here's a brief description of this code. 1. Audio player. This variable will hold an instance of an audio player, allowing you to play audio files. 2. Ringer mode status. This variable will track the current ringer mode of the device, like silent, vibrate, or normal. 3. Init state. This overridden method is called when the widget is inserted into the widget tree. In your implementation, it calls check sound mode to verify the current sound mode before executing the parent class's init state. Here's a short description of your check sound mode function. The check sound mode function is an asynchronous method that initializes an audio player and checks the device's current ringer mode. Based on the ringer mode status, it performs different actions. 1. Silent mode, no action is taken. 2. Vibrate mode, it triggers a vibration pattern for 10 seconds. 3. Normal mode, it loads and plays a ringtone from the specified asset path. The dispose method is overridden to clean up resources when the widget is removed from the widget tree. It attempts to cancel any ongoing vibrations and stops the audio player. If an error occurs during this process, it prints an error message. Finally, it calls the superclass's dispose method to ensure proper cleanup.